Google search Cracku CMAT mock tests. Click on the first link and get 5 CMAT mock tests in the latest pattern. Also, check out the 5 TISSNET mock tests in the latest pattern. After submitting the mock, you can get detailed solutions with analysis. You can also find the previous year's papers on TISSNET and CMAT along with solutions and detailed explanation.
Hello everyone, welcome to Cracku video series. This video is a part of our GK video series. So in this video, we will discuss some important static GK questions. These questions are very helpful to prepare for GK sections in the MBA entrance exams such as CMAT and TISSNET. So if you are preparing for these exams, we are also providing the crash courses for both CMAT and TISSNET, which covers the entire syllabus with a daily preparation schedule. So the links to enroll for these crash courses are given in the description, so please check them out. So in this video, we are going to discuss some important static GK questions regarding sports. So let's get started. Our first question, the term spikers is associated with which sport? The correct answer is volleyball, that is option A. Next, first Olympic game was held in 1896 in which country? The correct answer is Greece, that is option B. The first celebration of the modern Olympic game took place in ancient birthplace Greece. The games attracted athletes from 14 nations with the largest delegation coming from Greece, Germany, France and Great Britain. Next, Jwala Gutta is related to which of the following sports? The correct answer is badminton, that is option A. Jwala Gutta is an Indian professional badminton player. Beginning in the late 1990s, she represented India at international events in both mixed and women's doubles. She has a total of 316 match wins in both the disciplines. Next is the sport terminology of which sport? The correct answer is badminton, that is option A. Next, Sanket Mahadev Sagar is related to which of the following sports? The correct answer is weightlifting, that is option A. Next, Basin Reserve Stadium is located in which of the following countries? The correct answer is New Zealand, that is option D. Basin Reserve, also known as the Basin, is a cricket ground located in Wellington, New Zealand. Next, match the following players with their respective countries. The correct answer is option C, that is Lewis Hamilton is belongs to UK, Sebastian Vettel is belongs to Germany, Valtteri Bottas is belongs to Finland, Fernando Alonso is from Spain, Sergio Perez is from Mexico. Next, muzzle flub is the sports terminology associated with which sport? The correct answer is rifle shooting, that is option A. Next, which of the following countries' national game is not football? The correct answer is Malaysia, that is option C. Next, match the following sports with respective terms. The correct answer is option D, that is ploder is related to boxing, astroturf is related to hockey, gambit is related to chess, game point is related to tennis, and finally peg is related to golf. Next, the term pinching is associated with which sport? The correct answer is baseball, that is option D. Next, who is the first Indian woman to win an Olympic silver medal? The correct answer is PV Sindhu, that is option B. At the 2016 Rio Olympics, PV Sindhu became the first ever Indian woman to win a silver medal at the Olympics. What is the venue of the first World Deaf T20 Cricket Championship 2023? The correct answer is Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala, that is option E. Honorary General Secretary AISCD G. Suresh Kumar said the first World Deaf T20 Cricket Championship will be held in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala from Jan 10th to Jan 20, 2023. Next, which is the national game of Bangladesh? The correct answer is Kabaddi, that is option C. Next, Chakkar is related to which of the following sports? The correct answer is polo, that is option D. Both teams consist of 4 mounted riders and the duration of the game is 2 hours. Half time of the game is called Chakkar. Next, Pulleli Gopichand, the famous sports person of India, is associated with which sport? The correct answer is badminton, that is option B. Pulleli Gopichand is a former Indian badminton player. Currently, he is the chief national coach for the Indian national badminton team. Next, Williams Cup is associated with which sport? The correct answer is basketball, that is option B. Next, match the following person with the respective sports or games. The correct answer is option D, that is Bajrang Punia is belongs to wrestling, Neeraj Chopra is belongs to javelin thrower, Nikhat Zarin, she is belongs to boxing, Murali Sri Shankar, he belongs to long jump, And finally, Ramesh Babu Pragnananda, he belongs to chess. Next, Yonex Cup is related to which of the following sports? The correct answer is badminton, that is option A. Next, the Sudirman Cup is associated with which of the following games? The correct answer is badminton, that is option C. So these are some of the important static GK questions regarding the sports. You can also download this entire PDF. The link to download the PDF is given in the description, so please check it out. For more important updates, please like the video and subscribe for the channel. So thank you so much guys, and all the best.